Southwest Airlines and Dispatcher's Flight Crew are the first to welcome you to San Diego. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all of your carry-on items stowed right where they're at. If your cell phone is within arm's reach, you can restore the cellular function of that device. Now, once the captain pulls us up to the gate and turns off that fasten seatbelt sign, please use caution when opening up those overhead bins as items in a shifted could fall out. If you happen to be connecting to the Southwest flight, please T-plane, check the TV monitors in the gate area for your most current and up-to-date departure time and gate assignment number. If you're continuing on with us to Phoenix, this is your aircraft, we are your crew. We're going to ask that you remain in that original seat. We're going to come from the back and get a through count. Once we verify that through count with our ground personnel, we'll make another announcement, allow you to stand up, stretch your legs, and into lavatories. As you deplane today, make sure you gather up all of your personal belongings because once you step off the aircraft due to security reasons, unfortunately you're not allowed back on the aircraft, so double check that seat back pocket, that seating area. We'd hate for you to leave anything behind. Also, the ground service doors in the front and back of the aircraft will be opening for servicing, so please be aware of that for yourself or anybody you're supervising. If San Diego is your destination, go out there and enjoy the rest of this week. Certainly have enjoyed spending part of your evening with you. We know you have many choices when you fly, and thank you for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. Once again, welcome to San Diego. Flight attendants disarm doors and cross check for arrival.
Oh, yeah. Weird.